Hello everybody. So this video is going to be for Tuesday, September 24th for C and D blocks, and then also Wednesday, September 25th, E and A blocks. So I am just going to use Tuesday's page to go over this, but just know that the same directions that I'm going over for Tuesday also apply to Wednesday for E and A blocks. So what you guys are going to do today is you are going to continue completing information about the planets in your research notebook. So during your last class, you were working through the terrestrial planets and you completed the information for Mercury, Venus, and Earth. And then today you are actually going to be completing Mars, and then you're going to move on to the gas giant planets. And over here I have a little image of the gas giant planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So your goals for the day are listed here, and they are, as I just said, to complete the terrestrial planets chart in your notebook. Then you're actually going to be moving on to the gas giants. And I want to remind you that the gas giants get that classification name because they are massive bodies composed of mostly gas. So you are going to need today your research notebook. In your research notebook, you'll re-access your terrestrial planets chart. When you have completed your terrestrial planet chart, you will show it for approval to your substitute. And then you're going to move on to the gas giant chart, in which your substitute will be giving you. You'll glue that into your notebook. You'll use the internet resources provided below to get the information that you need, and then you'll also need some colored pencils for today. So I want to just go over to the chart for a moment to remind you what you're working on. So this was the terrestrial planet chart. Oh, Gunther's barking. So this is the, oh, 1 second. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Gunther was barking at the newspaper delivery person. Okay, so as I was saying, you've already completed Mercury, Venus, Earth. You're going to start with Mars today. And then I want to show you that when you're done with that, this is the chart that you will be getting from your substitute, which you can see is the gas giant planets. You're going to do the same thing that you did for the terrestrial planets, starting with Jupiter. Today, you are only completing through, let me remind myself, okay, Saturn. So today, you will just have these two rows finished. When you're done with Saturn, that will mean that you are done for today. So let's go back to the instructions here. So just like you did for the 3 terrestrial planets, you'll use these links to find the information for Mars. Remember to read everything above before scrolling down to get to the information that you need for your chart. And I want to show you that as you continue to move forward, please don't forget to update your table of contents for the gas giants chart when you receive it from your substitute. And I want to just show you that here is your link for Jupiter, and then you also have your link for Saturn. So I think that you all should be all set for today. I want to remind you to make sure you do your self-assessment. That's found here at the bottom of your instructions. Remember that you are done for today if you've answered yes to all of these questions, which include having your terrestrial planet completed for Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, updating your table of contents in your research notebook for the gas giants chart, completing the first two gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and then, of course, as always, cleaning up all of your materials and any of my borrowed materials. So that is it for today. Again, Tuesday C and D block, Wednesday E and A block will be doing the same thing as well. Have a great day, boys and girls. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Miss Mintz also has the answer key for these charts if you wanted to check your work. And I hope that you're all having an amazing week. I will see you next class to give you your instructions.